Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix we couldn't find your OneDrive folder error in Windows 10 PC. So friends, if you are facing this error, so to solve and to fix this error, there is a very simple and easy method. Firstly, press Windows key plus R. So this run command will open, and also friends, you can open this app by clicking on start and type here run. Click on run app. Now friends, in here you need to type this command line like percentage sign local app data percentage sign slash Microsoft slash OneDrive/OneDrive.exe space slash and reset. So friends, like me, you type on notepad and copy that and paste here. Then click on OK. That's it. Now restart your PC. Hopefully by using this easy and quick method, this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not. And please subscribe the channel for latest update.